Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, I'm finna show you 5 businesses that you can actually start, and it would bring you $5,000 or more a month. All right. Now, the first one is the pool cleaning business. Now, here's the thing about it: a lot of people, most pool cleaning businesses, they have these concrete based type of pools and everything, right? But here's the problem: there's a lot of people in the market that have above ground pools, and they don't know how to clean them. They don't know how to take care of them, right? And because they don't know how to clean them, they don't know how to take care of them. Guess what? They're always looking for somebody. So your big guys and stuff, they don't like cleaning them or whatever. They say it's tedious work. However, because if you take on that task, even though it's tedious, you'll make more money than a regular cleaning guy, because there's more people with above ground pools than it is in ground pools, right? And like I said, everybody wants a clean pool, that they just don't know how to properly take care of it, right? So for them, so that they can feel equal to people that have in-ground pools and stuff like that, they're willing to pay a premium to have their pools clean. All right, so that's the first one. The second business is, you see the vending machine right there? That vending machine, just passive income. You go to Costco, you get your stuff, or the Sam's Club, get your stuff loaded up. And the good part about it is that you can actually buy somebody else's route. Now, why would you even want to buy somebody else's route? One, if their route already has traffic, you can look at what they already have for those vending machines. Since you're buying their route, you may see something that vending machine company isn't doing, especially if it's high traffic. One of the things that I've noticed for vending machine companies, and a lot of people sleep on this, they look at the sodas and chips and stuff. Well, they never think about people still want Tylenol. Women need maxi pads, things of that nature, right? So women hygienic type of things, all right? Condoms. So these are the type of things that a lot of people that have these vending machine routes, they overlook. They just thinking about sodas and chips, but they don't think about this higher dollar margin thing that they can actually go. Because when a woman is cramping or whatever, what ends up happening? They will pay $20 for 2 pills because of the cramps. Now, I'm not saying that's a good way to take advantage of a situation, but you all understand, if it's going to help them, not be in that pain, then that's exactly what it is that you should be able to offer them something to help them, right? So that's the vending cleaning business. Now, you have another one. We're gonna go over here. I hope you guys don't mind hanging out with me. I'm gonna go over here. Another one is window cleaning. That's right. Especially like at hotels and stuff like that. They would rather hire somebody outside to clean the windows and stuff, instead of hiring somebody that works on the job. Because if they hire somebody outside, what ends up happening, and this is the nice part about it, and this is a benefit to you, is that they know that, hey, I don't have to pay their health insurance. I don't have to, if they want another wage, higher wage, I'll just go find somebody else or whatever, right? So you don't have all of this. Don't have to worry about overtime. All of these things that will give you an advantage. That's what I'm talking about. Now, granted, these businesses may be labor intensive. And some people say, hey, I don't want to do that job. But here's the thing about it, why the market is so wide open. Because a lot of people that are doing these jobs, they are getting older, they're retiring, they don't want to do it anymore. So they're willing to sell their business off to somebody. And just to get rid of it, You can even negotiate where you can actually take over the business with no money up front. And you can give them a certain amount of the proceeds. You can give them a certain amount of the proceeds if they'll let you take over the business with a signed contract. This is what I mean about making money. You buying a business without any money down. So that's your third one. Your fourth one is landscaping. That's right. Trimming these hedges, doing horticulture, installing plants and stuff like that. Especially now, like in California, a lot of hotels and stuff, they have to go to this less irrigation. So being able to put in shrubberies and things of that nature, that's going to be more drought tolerant and things of that nature, that brings in a lot of money. Now, like I said, yes, it is labor intensive, but at the same time, you're able to capture the market because the younger generation, they've assumed that them being a content creator or working on a computer, that's how they're going to make their living. And so what that's doing, that's leaving the market wide open for people that don't mind getting dirty, being labor intensive. And as a matter of fact, one of the key things about it, if you're able to get the contract, you can sublet the business out. So you yourself don't even have to actually do the business. You can find other people that are already in that industry and you can negotiate with them. Once you negotiate the contract, you can negotiate with those people in terms of what you will offer them. And make sure you sign a NCND, a non-compete agreement where they cannot poach your clients and stuff like that. But at the same time, that will give you leverage. Now, another business just looking around is what? Painting. That's right, painting. A lot of people that are retiring and stuff, they don't want to climb up on ladders anymore. They don't want to get up and do the tedious stuff about it. They're getting older and they don't want to do it. Their kids don't want to take over their businesses. So they're like, I'm stuck. So being able to find people that are in the painting industry that have clients and stuff that have a book of business that they know that, hey, I can go in and take over this, and you can add something to it to make it even more profitable. Those are the things you want to do in terms of if you're trying to make 5-10 figures and stuff like that. Those are the easiest jobs that you can actually start with. Granted, like I said, they're labor intensive. One more I'll give you is pressure washing. That's right. Pressure washing is another one. I'm getting ready to jump in this jacuzzi in a minute. But pressure washing is a big business. And again, you can set your own price. So you don't want to set it as an hourly rate. You want to set it as a job rate, right? And so, sure, the first time around and stuff, in terms of type of equipment and stuff, most of the jobs that I'm talking to you about, you're going to probably spend less than $1,000. Now, where do you get that $1,000 from? If you got a 580 credit score, you can get the Capital One Spark Business Classic card, right? And they usually start throughout maybe about $3,000. So now you know 6 businesses you could start that would bring you in $5,000-$10,000 a month. Like I said, it's labor intensive, but it's worth it. All right. So for those of you that may have questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, removing negative items off the credit, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.